everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see how to make cheese chili sabudana vada. But before we start with today's recipe video, I'm going to talk about a topic on which many of you have reached out to me with queries, and that's cooking oil. Every time I post a video, I invariably get asked this question, which cooking oil is heart healthy? I'm very particular about the cooking oil I use as it directly affects my family's heart health. So I did a thorough scan of the heart oils available in the market and found out that most of them only contain Oryzonal, which reduces bad cholesterol. But only reducing high cholesterol is not enough for holistic heart health. And that's why NatureFresh Acti Heart cooking oil is one of my preferred oils for my family. Let's get started with the recipe.
In a bowl, take 1 cup sabudana or sago. I'm using the regular one. You also get the fine one, the smaller one in the market, but use this one. Now add enough water so that all the sabudana is submerged. Wash it for a minute or so and drain the excess water. And after that, a very little water should be there in the sabudana. And on top of that, we're going to add a little more water. So like chana, matar, we don't submerge or soak the sabudana in a lot of water. Don't do that. That would result into a very sticky and not good sabudana. Soaking the sabudana overnight would give you the best results, but if you have less time, you can soak the sabudana for 2 to 3 hours. So this is after soaking. Now 3/4 cup of moongfali ka powder or roasted peanut powder. Just dry roast regular moongfali and then grind into a fine powder. Now add 1.5 teaspoon jeera, followed by coarsely ground, or you can also use finely chopped green chilli, 5-6 or as per your taste. Now some salt as per your taste. Now add 50 gram mozzarella cheese. This is grated mozzarella cheese. This is grated processed cheese. I'm using 4 cubes. You can use any brand's processed cheese, or if you have normal cheddar cheese, you can use that also. Now add juice from lemon. I'm using half medium-sized lemon. Now wash your hands and use your fingers to combine everything well. Yes, you would not achieve the right mixture if you use spoon. You need to use your fingers and hand. Now after mixing everything, it's time to add boiled potatoes. I'm using 3 medium-sized boiled and peeled potatoes. This will act as a binding agent along with the cheese and the moongfali or peanut powder. So just mix everything well. Don't overdo. You don't need to keep mashing it. Just mix everything well and this is perfect. Now let's make the vadas. So you can apply some oil to your palms if you feel that the mixture is sticking too much to your palms. I'm not applying any oil because it was fine. Now give the vadas a shape. So I'm using normal, the patty-like shape. You can make round or oblong, any shape of vadas you would like to have. I'm making the regular one. So out of all the vadas made out of that mixture, I'm going to freeze one batch. So you freeze it in a plate, and once it's frozen, you can put it in an airtight container and use up to 10 days. To fry the vadas, I'm using NatureFresh Acti Heart cooking oil. So this oil not just has Oryzonal but has more contents to make your heart healthy. Heat the oil at medium flame and drop in the vadas. The flame should not be very high and should not be very low, because on high flame the vadas will just cook on the outside, and at very low flame the vadas will absorb a lot of oil. So medium, or sometimes between medium to high. And once the vadas become nice golden and crispy, you need to take them out. Similarly, fry rest of the vadas. So I've fried all the sabudana vada. These have turned out nice and crispy, crunchy, and yes, cheesy also, because we've put a lot of cheese inside. So I'll just break one open and show you. Wow, look at the cheese. So just a little twist to the regular sabudana vada recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.